Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2012 Harley Davidson Street Bob. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2012 Harley Davidson Street Bob with 11,484 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a TRIKE kit, reverse, an aftermarket exhaust, an LED headlight, auxiliary rear fender lights, a luggage rack, timing cover, primary cover, an engine guard, a helmet lock, and grips. Powered by a 96 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Street Bob puts 92 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.7-gallon fuel capacity, the Street Bob has a 180 to 215 mile range. It has a 26.7-inch seat height, and in stock form, a 667-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 830 seconds, the rear left and rear right are both at 730 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted some rattle from the trike body, but this isn't abnormal for a trike kit. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This trike has 3 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.